What is this thing? Oh yeah, that's what
It's like a storage.
It's actually really cool.
The what?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the finishes.
Yeah.
I also like how dark it is, personally.
It is really dark, I agree.
Some people don't like that, but. Grab my purse.
Oh my god, there's a dead bird out there, gross. Did you guys see this?
Yes, we saw it.
Okay, sorry.
We didn't feel like we had to shout it out.
What is it?
A dead bird.
Something left over?
There's just a dead bird on the patio.
Is it dead or sleeping?
I'm sure it's dead.